Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Cameron Park local and long distance movers near me. Do you want to work with a respected and cheap Cameron Park moving company? 3 Movers provides the right moving options for long distance and local moves. With our help, you get a faster move, whether it's a residential or commercial move. Regardless of the sort of move you want to be done, our moving team is ready to make it happen for you. If you're trying to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our skilled movers help make your long distance move a lot easier. Whether you're moving one state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to help you. By having the best moving services to help you, any type of relocation, big or small, becomes so much easier. Along with the general long distance moving services, we also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials always on time, and transparent pricing. If you want to hire a California moving company, justifying the expense may seem to be hard. However, following a close look at the major benefits of working with a local moving company, you are going to likely find that it's well worth it. Any good moving company will certainly help you save time on your local move. Movers can also assure that you don't have to handle any of the heavy lifting. With our qualified movers, you get a very effective move from beginning to end. 3 Movers understands how to improve your move. No matter how big your move is, we can get it done quick. Contact us if you're prepared to choose the top local moving company in Cameron Park today. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Cameron Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.